Hi all, Rich from My Gold here. A very exciting package has just arrived. Today we're unboxing the stunning 10 kilogram beast of a coin, the Perth Mint Lunar Silver Ox. This coin arrived in a sturdy wooden crate with the Perth Mint Swan logo on the straps. And of course there's a crisp Australian Lunar Series 3 certificate of authenticity. Perth Mint have only ever produced 100 of these rare beauties, and we're stoked to have the 100th. Like a piece of art, this premium coin is handcrafted from 99.99% fine silver. The Lunar Series coins each celebrates a different Chinese zodiac sign and have proven to be fast selling and highly collectible. The beautiful bullion finish depicts an ox and its calf standing on a mountain amongst the cherry blossoms, with the forever regal portrait of Queen Elizabeth herself on the obverse. The year of the ox is the year of strength and endurance. Those born under its sign are thought to be strong, determined and dependable, all excellent qualities for getting us through 2021. These coins are rarely seen on the secondary market and are highly sought after due to the unique size, quality and scarcity, making an excellent investment or showpiece for any serious silver bugs collection. And yes, that's a 1 ounce gold coin for comparison. Check out the size of that 10 kilogram coin, it's massive. Hope you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more.